What's up, guys? It's Phil here. I'm with Christian over here at the ISS 2024 show. We are with DT Apparel. They're located in Dallas. All the safety equipment caught our eyes since we have transferred onto them before, especially the hard hats. We want to give that a shot. But I'm going to be here with Christian. He's going to talk a little bit about what they carry, what they do, and where you guys can get these items from. So go ahead, Christian.
So we're a shop based in Dallas. We specify only in work apparel, from safety vests to hard hats to jackets, from waterproof to regular to canvas jackets and hoodies. Anything you can think of that's work related, we carry it.
So a lot of construction workers, you said, are wearing this?
Yes.
They're outdoor, they want something bright.
Yeah, something bright, something comfortable, something that you can be out in the heat with or in the cold. We got it.
Awesome. And you guys are in Dallas. How long have you guys been in business for?
Been in business since 2015. We barely started our own brand about 4 to 5 years ago, and we started pushing it last year heavily, and now we're trying to get it more out there in the world.
Okay, good. What would you say is their most popular product that you guys carry?
So during the winter, the most popular product we have are safety jackets, from the waterproof ones to the canvas jackets.
You want to show us that?
Yeah, I'll show you. So this is more of a workwear kind of material. Mm-hmm. They're very durable, very solid, heavy, wind resistant.
Okay.
So they're a very rough, canvas material. So they're very durable for work, aligned inside and out. Very comfortable to work with. And then we also have these right here, which are waterproof. These are for anybody that works outside. It's in the rain, it's in the wind, all the elements. Really well to protect yourself. They're insulated all the way inside and out, all the way to the hood. We carry 5 colors this year. Next year we're going to do 6 colors.
What sizes do they come in?
They come from small through 2X.
Small to 2X?
Yes.
Okay. Are there a minimum to order these?
You can order 1, 2, 3, 1,000, whatever you need.
As long as you have a wholesale account?
As long as you have a wholesale account.
Got it. Okay. What else do you have here that's really popular? Do you guys have a lot of hunters that get that?
Yeah, that's literally this is like the best seller we have.
That's the best seller you have?
This is the best seller.
Okay, good.
Anything hunting related is always the best seller.
What else do you have besides the jacket? Do you have any matching pants with that, or what?
It's all up. That's it.
All up.
Just t-shirts, jackets, hoodies. No, nothing like pants wise.
Upperwear.
Like yeah.
Sounds good. Can I check out the hard hats?
Yeah, go ahead.
How long have you guys been working on those for?
The hard hats, we just started pushing them at the end of the year last year.
Okay.
So we only have like 11 colors, but the goal is to have at least 20 different styles in hard hats, from solid colors to design wise. So I haven't seen the market for these anywhere that much. So we started to, try to bring them out there, see what people think.
Yeah. Are they heavy? Do they have any type of certain ratings to it? Anything you can tell me about these hard hats? I am new. I have no idea about these hard hats. So tell me about them.
They're not heavy. They're pretty good weight. They're what do they got? They're FRP. Mm-hmm. So they're pretty hard, durable. So each one comes with a different design. I also have the regular colors that are solid. I'm trying to bring these into the market, see if they work out. People like them. So far today at the show, everybody likes them.
You said this was your most popular one, the flag designs?
The flag ones, and then the skull ones is the most popular one.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because somebody sent me an image of a hard hat recently, and they had their logo in the front. They were asking me about it. Of course, we sell UV DTF transfers. That's a new product that we carry. So that's something that I definitely want to try on this. It is a little bit challenging because it's a round surface, but I think with the perfect size print, we might be able to get it to work. So that's something I definitely want to give a shot. And then I'll definitely make a video out of that. So I will definitely share it with you guys after we make it. And I'll also share where they can order this from. So what's your website? Where can they find this from?
So we're based in Dallas. Right now we don't have a website. We're still working on that. We're still pretty new to all this market stuff. So by the middle of the year, we should have something running and ready to go.
Do you have an email or some website that they can, or somewhere they can contact you to open up that wholesale account?
Our store location is in Dallas. Our email is our whole name, which is Dallas T-shirts and Apparel, yahoo.com. And that's literally the only way we can right now. We have contact.
No problem. I'll drop a link below with the description. You guys want to get a hold of Christian, and he'll help you out with some hard hats, some safety gear, and all that good stuff. So thank you again for your time. I appreciate you.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, take care.